Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we will learn the design and assembly of spur gear in SolidWorks with the help of Toolbox. And we will cover the material selection for the spur gear. Along with that, we will see how to make this motion study animation. So let's get started. When we open SolidWorks, first of all select New, select Assembly, click OK. Cancel it. Change this IPS to MMGS. Select front plane. Select sketch. Now we have to draw the two pitch circles for main gear and pinion gear. So short key to select the circle is hold your right key of mouse and drag your mouse towards right. Now draw one circle. Draw another circle for pinion. Select OK. Give dimension to 40 mm. Give dimension 120 mm for pinion. Select these both circles. Select tangent relation. Click OK. Again select this center point. Hold the control key and select this point. Give relation horizontal. Click OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch. Now go to the design library. Select toolbox. If you don't have toolbox option here, go to the options. Select add-ins. Select SolidWorks toolbox library. These two box. Click OK. Again go to the design library. Toolbox. If your values are in inches, then select ANSI inch. Our values are in millimeter, so we'll select ISO. Select power transmission. Select gears. Drag and drop the spur gear. Here, remember one thing. If you have selected assembly, then only this menu of configure component will open here. If you have selected part option, then this menu will not open directly. Now we have to change these values. Module is basically pitch circle diameter divided by number of teeth. So we'll select module 6. Number of teeth we will select 40. Pressure angle we keep it 20. Face width we change it to 30. Hub style we select type C hub. Hub diameter we change it to 85. Overall length, that is hub length, we keep it 50. Nominal shaft diameter we will select 40. Keyway we will select rectangular and select OK. Now system will automatically copy it. Click left key to drop it and cancel, because we need only one pinion. Then this is our pinion gear. Right click on the pinion gear and select edit toolbox component. Again we have to change these values. We keep module 6. Number of teeth we select 20. Pressure angle we keep it 20. Face width we'll keep 30. Hub style we keep it type C hub. Hub diameter we'll change it to 50. Overall length we'll keep 50. Nominal shaft diameter we'll change it to 20. Keyway we select square key. But remember, these are the random values. You can change it as per your calculations and requirement and click OK. Now right click on the main gear and select float. Now select move component, select rotate component, select this pinion gear and rotate it, select main gear and rotate it, click OK. Now select mate, select front plane and select face of the main gear and click OK. Again select front plane and face of the pinion gear and select OK. Now select pitch circle and select this edge and select OK. Again select this pitch circle, select this edge and select OK. Select OK. Hide this sketch. Select move component. Select physical dynamics. Try to move the gear. If the gear is not meshing properly, then system will detect collision. Our gear looks perfect. Click OK. Now let's look at the important aspect of material selection. We'll select steel because steel is most common material to manufacture spur gear. So go to the appearance, select metals, select steel, drag and drop the polished steel and select body. Now go to the motion study. If you don't have this option here, right click here, select toolbar, select motion manager. Now select basic animation here. Go to the settings. Frames per second we change it to 30. Select OK. Drag this line up to 20 seconds. Select contact. Select both gears for contact and select OK. Now select motor. If you have to increase the speed, then select this shaft as motor. If you have to decrease the speed, then select this shaft as motor. For now, we'll select this shaft as motor. If you have to change the direction of rotation, click on this box. Select RPM. We'll keep 3 RPM and click OK. Then click on calculate. So this is our spur gear animation. And if you have to save it, select save animation. I will prefer the MP4 file video. Aspect ratio 16:9. Frames per second. If you increase the frames per second, it will take time to save. So we'll save it. So this is our spur gear assembly. Try to make it on your own. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming educational videos. And thanks for watching the video.